Welcome to Sporting Angels Educational Spectrum. We are doing agriculture in geography. In the previous video, we talked about types of farming, and in this video, we shall be talking about cropping patterns. India has three cropping seasons: Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Rabi crops are sown from October to December and they are harvested from April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. These crops are grown in large parts of India. States from the north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other rabi crops. Availability of precipitation during the winter months due to western temperate cyclones helps in the success of these crops. However, the success of green revolution in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of above mentioned rabi crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon. As the monsoon reaches in whichever states, the farmers start growing the crops and they are harvested from September to October. Important Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jawar, bajra, arhar, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soya bean. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, these regions, especially the coastal regions. Coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra. Particularly the Konkan coast. The Konkan coast along with Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Recently, paddy has become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam and Bengal, these two states, you must remember that these are the states where paddy was grown from the earliest times. States like Assam, West Bengal, Odisha. 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year. These are the regions where not one, not two, 3 crops here in these regions. 3 crops of paddy are grown. These are Os, Aman and Boro. The names of these 3 crops which are grown here, as well as here, these 3 crops are named Os, Aman and Boro. Between the Rabi and Kharif seasons, there is a short season during the summer months known as Jed season. This is the season when Jed crops are grown, and the important Jed crops are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables and fodder crops. Apart from this, sugarcane is a crop that takes almost full 1 year. Sugarcane takes 1 year, complete 1 year. Okay?